Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this section, we'll demonstrate a practical use case of extensibility within Hexagon EAM, showcasing how a simple UI customization can improve usability, enhance visibility, and support better decision-making. Today we're diving into a neat little UI tweak inside Hexagon EAM that brings some serious visual clarity to your work order list. So here's the scenario. You've got a bunch of work orders, and a few of them are marked as high priority, but unless you're filtering or sorting every time, they kind of blend in, right? Well, not anymore. With this customization using Ext JS, we've added some smart styling to help high priority jobs pop. First, the text in the priority column turns red if it's marked high. Then, the entire row gets a light green background so your eyes go straight to what matters. The best part? It's dynamic. Scroll the list, refresh the screen, the highlight sticks. This is perfect for planners, supervisors, or really anyone who needs to act fast without getting lost in a sea of rows. It's a simple enhancement, but it makes a big difference in day-to-day usability. Use case: any time-critical jobs like safety-related work orders, emergency repairs, or urgent maintenance tasks. Want to see more UI hacks like this? Hit that like button, subscribe for more EAM tricks, and don't forget to support the channel. EAM Simplified. See you in the next one.